If you want to remove the taillights off of your 6th gen Honda Civic, you're only going to need 2 tools. You need a 8mm socket on a ratchet and a Phillips screwdriver. You want to start by taking the screwdriver and going to the tailgate and unscrewing this and this one. After you take off the 2 screws, just go ahead and take off this clip right here. Okay, now that that's off, you can take off this plastic cover, and then you're left with this, which is just the bulbs. You could go ahead and just twist this and pull out. That's for the bottom one. Twist this, pull out. Now there should be nothing attached to the taillight assembly. Now that you've moved these 2 out the way, you're gonna get your ratchet, take off this nut, this 3rd nut, and then this outer 4th nut. Now that I've removed all 4 nuts, I could just go ahead and push out, take the taillight right out. If this is your first time removing the taillight, then there would be some adhesive right here. So you are gonna have to push with some force, but since I've already taken this one out before, the adhesive's no longer there. In order to remove this section of the taillight, first you're gonna have to pull out this screw pin. I already took mine out and I lost it, so I don't have it, but take this out and then peel this cover back. After you peel it back, go ahead and take your 8mm ratchet, and you're gonna have to remove this, the 2nd one, the 3rd, and this 4th one. After taking out the nuts, you're gonna just go ahead and unclip this clip right here, and then take out these 2 bulbs. And after you unclip it and remove the 2 bulbs, you should be able to just go ahead and pull this right out. This is how it looks